Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to tell you about a new interchange to be built out here in Mamee Bay. Now, if you've been following the channel, we've been saying for quite some time now that they need to get rid of this roundabout and put in a proper interchange. Well, the government recently announced that they're going to be spending $52 billion to upgrade the North-South Highway. And one of the major changes they're making is they're going to put in a cloverleaf interchange in Mamee Bay. So they're going to take out this roundabout and put in a proper interchange. And it's needed because Mamee Bay is right next to Draxall, which is the fastest growing area in Jamaica. Thousands of homes in Draxall. And Draxall is so developed that the developments are now spilling over into Mamee Bay. And so you have a lot of developments on the way in Mamee Bay. The most notable is the Roaring River Mamee Bay estate, which China Hub Engineering Company is doing. Thousands of people are going to be moving into that development. So the government is also expanding the highway. So right here, this roundabout is where the North-South Highway, which is a toll road that takes you from Kingston to St. Ann or Kingston to Mamee Bay, merges with a Northern Coastal Highway. This is merges with the Northern Coastal Highway, which is a highway that takes you from Negril to Ocho Rios all the way through to Portland. So right here you have two major highways intersecting. So the roundabout is just outdated now. So the government is going to be putting in a cloverleaf interchange. Now this interchange is going to allow two roads to merge. And in Maypen you have a diamond interchange because it's just one highway with 4 exits and entrances, but this one is 2 highways. So the cloverleaf interchange allows for 2 roads to merge. So you're going to have an up and lower level. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what a cloverleaf interchange is. Efficient traffic management is essential for modern road infrastructure, particularly in high traffic areas where smooth vehicle movement is necessary. One of the most widely used interchange designs for highways and major roads is a cloverleaf interchange. This type of interchange is designed to facilitate the seamless flow of vehicles at the intersection of 2 perpendicular roads, eliminating the need for traffic signals or direct left turns. By utilizing a series of loop ramps, cloverleaf interchanges improve traffic efficiency, reduce congestion, and enhance road safety. While they have certain limitations, their advantages make them a vital component of road network planning. A cloverleaf interchange is characterized by 4 loop ramps, which resemble the leaves of a 4-leaf clover when viewed from above. These ramps allow vehicles to transition between 2 intersecting highways without stopping. Unlike traditional intersections where left turns can cause delays and traffic conflicts, the cloverleaf design enables drivers to make left turns through 270-degree loops, merging onto the desired roadway in a controlled manner. Another key feature of cloverleaf interchanges is grade separation. The intersecting roads are built at different elevations, one passing over or under the other, ensuring that vehicles do not have to cross paths. This design reduces the risk of accidents caused by direct left turns or head-on collisions. Additionally, the absence of traffic signals allows for uninterrupted traffic flow, making it an ideal solution for high-speed road networks. Cloverleaf interchanges offer numerous benefits in terms of traffic efficiency, safety, and cost effectiveness. One of their main advantages is that they eliminate the need for traffic signals, allowing vehicles to move continuously without long wait times at intersections. This reduces congestion, particularly in areas with high traffic volumes. Additionally, cloverleaf interchanges are cost-effective compared to more complex interchange designs, such as stack or turbine interchanges. They require fewer bridges and overpasses, making them a more affordable option for highway planners. They are particularly useful in suburban and rural areas where land is more readily available, allowing for spacious layout. Alright, so the picture in the thumbnail is actually what a cloverleaf interchange looks like. So this is actually the perfect design for the Mamee Bay area. So we will keep you guys updated on this development, but it's something that's definitely needed because this area is growing very fast, and this interchange will definitely help with the flow of traffic. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.